So here is your first look at the Nike Sacai Vaporwaffle in the black Summit White colorway. These are crazy. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I am pretty excited about the shoes that came in. So, as you can tell from the box, this is the latest model of the Nike Sacai Vaporwaffle. And oh my god, these are crazy. So I managed to pick these up from Foot Patrol. I just randomly won the raffle late at night and I was driving along and I just got the notification and here they are today. So I've been pretty excited for this shoe because I entered so many raffles and did not think I would win. I have actually purchased the grey pair as well for resale because I do have a comparison of both pairs coming. So I do have a fake pair of these on the way and a fake pair of the grey ones on the way. But this is just a review and unboxing of the retail pair. So it comes in the Nike Sacai orange box, which is just a Nike box, which is very, very big and orange. It does have the label on the side, which I'll give you a close-up, and it says Nike Vaporwaffle Sacai in the black Summit White colorway. And I got these in a true to size UK 9, but I actually haven't tried them on. I barely even looked at them, so I do not know if they fit true to size or not. So if someone can comment that below, that'd be a big help, because I might actually sell these, but I'm not too sure. So we open it up, and it has the slide design to it. And it has the Nike Sacai paper on the top. We'll open that up. So here is your first look at the Nike Sacai Vaporwaffle in the black Summit White colorway. These are crazy. So where do I start with these shoes? I've honestly got no words. These shoes are like artwork in my opinion. I don't even know if I could ever wear these. They're just crazy to look at and just so different to anything you've ever seen before. So the last Nike Sacai's to come out looked like this, and they kind of shocked the world because they had that heel counter on the back, which just made them so different, and they just shot. They were so popular. The colorways that they brought out were crazy, and then they went for the most simplistic ones as well. So they just literally covered every angle, and it was just a great marketing ploy by both Nike and Sacai. So this is the second version that they've come out with, and they've gone for a much chunkier shoe. So this is a UK 9, and in my opinion, it looks like a UK 11. It is absolutely massive. It's just so big. It reminds me of the Triple S sneaker from Balenciaga. So if you're looking for a huge shoe at actually at a more affordable price than one of those, this is definitely the one for you. The resale value on these, I was actually expecting to be a lot higher, but it is at this at the moment of filming. But I believe they will go up over time, especially with more colors going out, and this will probably be one of the most desirable ones, just a classic black and white that you can wear with everything. So we'll try now and break down some of the different materials that they've used on the shoe. So if we take a close up, you can see around the toe area and going up the sides of the laces, they've used a black suede, which is actually very nice quality. It's a long suede, much longer than anything they've seen on maybe a Jordan or anything like that. It is a long, high quality suede. On the outer and inner side, they've used this almost plastic mesh, which is see-through. So if you are wearing bright colored socks, you will see them through the inner and outer sides of the shoe. Stitched over the top, you obviously have the classic leather swoosh on both sides. On this pair, it is in white on the inside and outside, but they've actually added another swoosh underneath, which is actually painted on. But because it's contrasting over a lot of different materials, the swoosh looks different in different sections. So on the sole, you can clearly see the bottom part of the white swoosh. But then if you go over the suede, it kind of fades a little. And then on the mesh, it is very hard to see. So I don't really know why they use this approach. It does look pretty cool in photos, but over time, I think this isn't going to last. Around the heel, we have a leather material, which Doesn't feel like the best quality leather. It is very, very stiff indeed, but obviously this is because it is meant to support the heel around the ankle. Then at the top we have another white leather, which is actually much softer than that on the heel, and it says Nike Sacai on the back, but this is pretty much covered up by the heel tab. So just like on the first version, there is that segment which sticks out at the heel. However, it isn't as dramatic as it is on the first one, and probably because we're used to the first one, these don't look as weird. But someone has once said on Instagram that the back of the heel kind of looks like the opening of a fish mouth, and I cannot unsee it, and it's really, really annoying. And it's just, I don't understand it. I think it would have looked really cool if it didn't have this. The heel had just curved round just like a normal shoe. However, Sacai doesn't do normal, so that is what they've gone for. So on the actual sole itself, they've gone for almost a triple sole. So on the underlying part of the shoe, we have a white sole that curves up at the back. Then underneath that, towards the heel, we have a black layer coming all the way out, which is just like on the first Sacai version. And then on the actual bottom of the sole, we have a creamy off-white section with a black tread going along the bottom. So there are so many different elements and aspects to the shoe that I could probably go into even more detail, but it would just go on forever. Probably the final thing to say about the shoe is it does come with the double lacing all the way through, which is already pre-laced. But it does come with spare laces in the actual grey colour, so you can do that. I think I would have liked it if it had come with spare laces in white. I'm not actually too sure why they haven't done that, and I'm kind of checking to see if they haven't, but not that I can see. Doesn't seem to be any spare white laces. I think that would have looked really cool. Not really sure why they gave you spare laces of practically the same colour as the other ones. They are thicker laces than the ones in it, but still, I think that is a missed opportunity by Nike and Sacai. But other than that, it's a pretty cool shoe, if I must admit, and I'm pretty happy that I actually managed to get these for retail. So like I said at the start of the video, I do have a fake pair of these coming in the mail, and I will be doing a comparison between the two pairs, and I expect that to be a very good video because I expect there to be quite a few differences between this and the fake pair. I really thought I would actually like this more in person than I actually do, mainly because it's so big. Like, it's actually massive, and when I first unboxed it, I was really shocked to see how big it was, and I just don't know how it's going to look on my feet in my style. I might give it a go and see what it's like, but until then, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.